Hi everyone, my name is Ritika and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you must have already guessed the video by the title. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my hair care routine, and I'm so much excited for today's video because I wanted to shoot this video for so much long, but I don't know what was holding me back. So yes, I'm here with my hair care routine. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so guys, before moving forward to today's video, I want to share with you two disclaimers, and the first one being is that I've never done any treatment to my hairs, neither any color nor any keratin, because I'm really scared. So these are my natural hairs and it's all because of my mother and the genes. It's really healthy and natural. And the second one is that I keep on changing my products, so I'm going to be giving you so many recommendations because I like to use different kind of products every now and then. So it's upon you what you choose for your hair. Okay, so guys, so the very first and the important part in our hair care routine is oiling, and oiling plays a very important part when you take a good care of your hair. And to be very honest with you guys, I'm not good at oiling my hairs regularly, and इस बात के लिए मुझे मेरी मम्मा बहुत ज्यादा डांटती है बिकॉज मैं भूल जाती हूँ. बट जब भी मैं अपने ऑयल करती हूँ हेयर्स को, आई लेट देम सिट ऑन माई हेयर्स फॉर अबाउट 12 to 14 hours maximum because hairs को nourishment चाहिए होती है. And for oiling I use these two products. The first one is Ryaal onion hair oil and the second one is Patanjali coconut oil. Recently I'm using these two products, but apart from these products I also like to use parachute oil and also almond oil. But मैं इतना oil use नहीं करती regular basis पे, so जल्दी इतना मेरा product खत्म नहीं होता. So guys, whenever I sit to oil my hair, I always warm up the oil little bit and then massage in between the scalp. By doing this, there are more chances of hair growth. Okay, so for shampoo, currently I'm using this Loreal Total Repair 5. It's a very good shampoo, works wonders for my hairs, no doubt. It's a very good shampoo. So yeah, so whenever I shampoo my hair, I like to use the mixture of shampoo and water and then I use it on my hair. I don't go directly with the shampoo because I think that just gonna ruin my scalp. And I learned this hack from Ryaal and Mansi. They are my favorite YouTubers. So I'm using this hack for about past 2 to 3 years, and I recommend you guys to do this every time you shampoo your hairs. And other than that, this shampoo, I love Tresseme and Dove so much. Before using this bottle, I was using Tresseme. I will insert the pictures here and here. So these top 3 are the shampoos which I love to use. So if I talk about the conditioner, I'm using this L'Oreal Total Repair 5, which goes along with the shampoo, and these two combo are the best. And this conditioner also helps in getting the frizz away. Though I don't have any frizz on my hair right now, but if I feel like my hairs are getting frizzy, then I take a little bit of this conditioner and I apply on my stand. And guys, whenever you are applying conditioner, do like this. It will go in every bit of your hair. And if you're doing like this, it's not the right way to apply conditioner, and also the frizz will not go. So if I talk about dandruff, I like to use lemon and salt ka mixture. As you can see in the clip, I partition my hair and start rubbing my hair, the mixture which I make, because I don't have so much dandruff, but whenever I suffer from dandruff on my hairs, I like to use this mixture. And guys, if your scalp are really dry, you can use this mixture with oil, and if you still don't want to use this mixture, you can go with the Head and Shoulder shampoo. The shampoo is really good in dealing with dandruff. Just use twice a week and you're good to go. Okay, so apart from shampooing, oiling and conditioning, I wanted to share with you 3 hair problems in this video. The 2 topics which I already covered are dandruff and frizziness, and the third one is hair fall. And hair fall is the major problem which every person deals with, and though I have also a very good and healthy hair, I also deal with hair fall. Hair fall based on 2 categories. The first one is diet and the second one is stress level. So it is also depend on what food are you having and how much stress are you taking. So don't stress so much or cut down your stress level, because I have also experienced whenever I take stress, I deal with hair fall problems. Talking about food, I don't have any problem with my diet. My diet is pretty good. I intake many proteins and nuts, so I don't have any problem with that. And also my parents made me a habit of eating chicken and fishes. And if I talk about fishes, fishes has so many good vitamin oils which also helps in taking a good care of your hair and makes it shinier and more healthier. But if you're vegetarian, you don't have to use this method. You can use other ways to keep a good care of your hair. And also don't ever wash your hair with hot water. It will start creating problem of hair fall. Just use cold water to wash your hairs and you're good to go. So let's not talk about serums, and there are only two serums which I love to use, and these are Livon and Tresseme. Every time I style my hair with a curler or a straightener, I like to wet my hair and use the serum on the damp hair, and the results turned out really amazing. And every time I wash my hair, I like to dry my hairs naturally. I don't use any blower or a dryer to dry my hair. I let them dry on their own, and it's a very good way. And yeah guys, I think that's it for today's video. I have to end this video right here. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then do not forget to like this video and also share this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right now on the screen, and I shall meet you on my next video. Until then, stay happy and stay safe. Bye bye. It is also very good in